Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 3/13 of 2022, the stock was YUMC and this happened on Thursday the 10th, first thing in the morning. This was based on a tier 2 type of gap and an entry on a 1-minute DTS buy setup failure pattern. The management simple reward to risk about 4.1 to 1. Actually I call the management on advance this one, but that's very subjective. As usual, for free members this week, we have two things. Busy week at DTS. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night. Come by and visit us. If you're a DTS member, you will have your invites, and you'll also get your invites for Wednesday night's event, a special educational event, March 16th, 4 Secrets to Trading Investing. Both of those are 5 o'clock. If you're members, you'll get your invites. If you're not a member of DTS, hop over to the DTS homepage and see if you can figure out how to become a member. This is the daily chart of YUMC, and on this particular day it was going to gap down to right about there. That was a fairly powerful gap. I was not willing to immediately jump on this one, but the entry that it gave was an excellent entry, so I took it. This was the bar after the daily chart closed, and I did manage to get target 2 right to the low of that day, so it did not come back on me at all. It was pretty good management on this one. I'll show you in a second. Here's the 15-minute chart. You can see a little better that pattern is happening here. We're going to gap down to right about there. It rallied initially for the first 15 minutes or so and then began to fold over. Here's the 5-minute chart where you can see a little more detail. It ran up for the first 5-10 minutes and I shorted right there underneath 46.40, stop over 47.00. Target 1, a decent target. It was down there to 45.06. It was about a couple of hours. And then target 2, we began to trail. It began to fall pretty quickly. I realized that the low of the day would probably be coming by late morning, and it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. Got the trail all the way down to 42.67, and that actually was the low of the day. It bounced back a little bit the rest of the day. So some excellent management on this one for an overall 4R profit. All done before 1 o'clock. Here's the 1-minute chart to show you a little better detail. You can see that we opened right there, and the entry came actually right in there. Target 1 right there, as it began to bounce, it was trailed, and the target 2, of course, is off the chart, as it was down there at 42.67. I like a variety of things when I day trade, and for some of the days where we don't have best setups, sometimes the gaps are the ones to turn to. They are part of the tools that I use for day trading. It's not all I look at, but it is part of what I look at, and this gap this day was a good one and proved to be a nice winner. If you like trading like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can hop over to that DTS homepage and figure out how to become a member of the DTS Trading Room. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.